Hey guys, this is Dhruv and you're watching Expert Computer Tutorial. So today I review this book, latest book CBSE sample paper question paper class 10 science for 2021 exam. So let's start this video without time wasting. First of all we tell this the price of this book is 249 only rupees. Here, here are the contents of this book. This book contains 5 solved question papers and 5 self-assessment papers. One is board sample question paper which is issued by board on date 9 October 2020. This book giving the information about mistake which commonly made students made error. This book also contain mind map. This book also contain on tip notes. If you any problem about any question in this book, you can download a solution from this website www.oswaldbooks.com or 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 you can download by scanning the QR code inside in each question paper. Here are also given reduced level. The deleted syllabus are given separately. Metal and non-metals are deleted from in this examination. Basic metallurgy, corrosion and its prevention are deleted and other chapters are remained. Carbon and compounds, world of living, control and contradiction, magnetic effect of electric currents, electric generator, direct current, alternating current, frequency of, advantage of easy domestic electric sector. All these are deleted from this examination 2021. This is the sample papers of class 10 CBSE 2020 Delhi outside. This is solved question papers. Here are mind map are giving chemical reaction and equation. This is very good for revision in exam. This is the topper answer sheet of CBSE 2019 questions paper. You can idea how toppers is written in an examination. See this how toppers is written in beautifully in examination. You can write this and you can idea about how to write in examination. Here are the hints given of self-assessment paper which is unsolved question. This is question is very few. This hints is very few questions. Only 27, 29, 30, 32 and 35 are given and unsolved question papers and self-assessment 2. This book is very helpful for class 10 students. I recommend this book. If you want to purchase this book, you can purchase the book. But I'm not advertisement of this book. You can purchase any book which you want to as your wish. So this is the review of this book. Please share and subscribe my. Please share and like this video in all social media and also subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Goodbye.